Here we go. Who remembers how we solve a one-step? What do we do to get rid of this minus 5? Reggie? Add 5. Do we add it just here or to both sides?
Both sides.
Look at us go. We do remember something. All right. What is 3 plus 5?
8.
All right. Now, do we only solve it or do we have one other step we have to do? Why do we have to graph it?
Because that's the other answer.
To show your answer. Because how many answers are there to an inequality?
2.
Infinite. A lot. A whole bunch. Not just one, not just two. Infinite. All right, so let's put our ticks on our number line. Let's not put our numbers yet. Are you writing? Or just talking? All right, so let's put 8 right here. Now, what's going to go to the right of 8? 9, 10, and 11. Okay, why does it go to the right of 8?
Because 0 is to the left.
Bigger than 8?
Because 0 is to the left. So remember, anytime you make your number lines, think about where 0 is in regards to your middle number. So then we need 9, 10, 11, 7, 6. And you also have number lines on your table just in case you forgot. Okay, are we going to use an open or closed circle?
Open.
Why?
Because this have a line from this to that.
Oh my gosh, you guys do remember. Do we shade to the left or to the right?
Right.
Look at us go. Are we done with that one?
Yes.
All right, could you try B without me?
Yes.
All right, try B without me. What we do first on this one?
Do minus 6.
Are we going to do it to both sides or just one side?
Both sides.
All right. And what is negative 3 minus 6? Negative 9. Fantastic. All right, now negative numbers on a number line. Heaven help us. Here we go. Let's put our ticks. Put at least 5 ticks on there. And we're going to put negative 9 in the middle. Now, what is going to be to the right of negative 9? Negative 8, and then? Because 0 is over here, correct? So we have to get to 0. What's to the left of negative 9? Yay! We're slowly but surely remembering that part. All right, open or closed circle? Why? Are we going to shade to the left or to the right? To the left, because it's pointing to the left. Questions so far? Is it all coming back?
Yes.
All coming back to you now? Are we ready for C?
Yes.
Okay. For C, is that 4 times A plus A divided by A? Baby Jesus A, what's happening there?
I divided by 8. You divided by 4.
No, guys, I'm asking you what is happening right here.
You multiply.
It's multiplying. So what's the opposite of multiplication? So we need to divide both sides by 4. Remember, listen to my question. Now, did we divide by a positive or a negative?
Positive.
So do we flip our sign?
Yes. No.
No. All right, what's negative 16 divided by 4?
Negative 4.
All right, what else do we have to do?
Oh, graph it.
All right, what numbers go to the right of negative 4?
Negative 3, negative 2.
Yay. And what goes to the left?
Negative 5, negative 6.
All right, Tiara, open or close circle?
Open. Open.
And Alicia, are we going to shade to the left or to the right? To the left. All right, any questions on A, B, or C? Those are pretty easy, right? We've been solving those for a while. All right, what about D? You just multiply. So it's not any more complicated, is it? We're still doing the same thing. All right, are we going to multiply by a positive 3 or a negative 3? Oh my gosh, what do we do to our sign this time?
You flip it.
Why?
Because it's a negative.
Because we multiplied by a negative. All right, what's 5 times negative 3?
Negative 15.
Negative 15-o? Is that what you said? No, 15-o is not Spanish. Oh my gosh. Stop. All right. So what two numbers should be to the right of negative 15? I'm going to call on someone. Dang. Jackson, what two numbers should be to the right of negative 15?
Negative 14, negative 13.
Awesome. And Bronson, what two numbers should be to the left of negative 15?
Negative 16, negative 17.
Look at us go. All right, do you guys think you'll be able to do that without me on the next one?
Yes.
All right, are we going to use an open or closed circle, Jadani? Closed, because it's got a line under it. And to the left or to the right, Jorge? See. All right.
No voy a izquierda. Otra. Yo don't know what left is in Spanish.
I don't know what left is in Spanish.
No, but I mean, they.
What do you mean by they?
Like, we speak Spanish and they don't know.
Being racist over there?
No.
All right. Any questions on one step? Do you think you can do this without me?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right, let's talk about two-step. All right, what would we do first on A?
You minus you
All
add 9.
right, do that
I did.
without me.
I did.
Okay, then go to the next step.
I did.
And then graph it.
I did.
Yay! Look at us go. Let's make sure our whole table has done it. Make sure your whole table has done it. Leave no man behind.
You done? You done? I know.
All right, so for A, you guys added 9. And then you got 2x is greater than 20. Why did I not flip my sign yet? Because all I did was add, right? All right, so from here, we divide by a positive 2. So x is greater than 10. Why did I not flip my sign? Because it's not a negative. Because 2 is a positive. Right, James?
Yes, Miss Asbury.
All right, so then we should have 10, 11, 9, 8, and I'm running out of room down here. Am I going to have an open or closed circle? Am I going to shade to the left or to the right? Does everybody's number line look like mine?
Yep.
Well, then fix it. Are we ready for B? Does anybody need me to pause? Because you need to tell me if you want me to pause. Because maybe we need to correct our handwriting and write a little neater. At Troy. All right, for B. B is in potato. Let's subtract 7 from both sides. And then we get negative 3x is less than or equal to negative 18. And then what do we do from there?
You divide by negative 3.
Now, did we divide by a positive 3 or negative 3? So what do we do?
You switch this sign.
Yep. And it becomes greater than 6. Did everybody get that?
Kimberly?
Jorge. All right, so then 6, 7, 5. Does everybody's number line look like mine? Open or close circle, Alexis? Open or close circle? Did you look at the problem? Close. It's crazy what happens when we look at the problem, right? Alexis, do we shade to the left or to the right? Look at the problem, son. Look at you go. All right, whose table got A and B totally right? Yay! No, the whole table, not just one person. The whole table.
All right. Everybody get it right? Yeah, everybody got it right.
All right, good job. All right, flip your page. Let's finish up 2-step on the back. And then we gotta, maybe we'll have time for homework.
Oh, my.
See, Jorge. Because I said so.
We have to have one more time.
Yes. I don't remember how to say because I said so, to be honest. All right, so C. C is in potato. What would we do first on C?
Oh, yeah.
Add 5. You do not multiply until the fraction is by itself. You do not multiply until the fraction is by itself. So what do we do first, taters?
You
Add 5. All right, everybody add 5. And then in your group, figure out what you do next and if you flip your sign without mom. Let's go.
My mom's here?
Some of you act like your mom.
Of course, that's gonna be a little.
No. Yeah, bring your mom. Okay, guys. Next we do. Next we.
See, I'm sorry. It's crazy that I want to be able to check your work and figure out what your paper says. This one, N+2, you change the 2 N's. Remember, we do not change those. Leave it as N+2. Don't change those. You cannot add those together. Alright, so hopefully y'all got to that step on number C. But you tried, and that's what matters. Alright, so what do we do from here on C? Multiply by 4. Because we have to get rid of the fraction, right?
Yeah.
Do we flip our sign?
No.
Why?
Because it's not negative.
What's not a negative?
4 is not a negative.
Because 4 is not a negative number. We multiplied by a positive. See what I mean, Troy, about bringing this down? So if you write it step by step, then it will be better. But you multiplied this 5 by 4, and then you divided by, I don't know what happened. But write it step by step, okay? What, Bryn? What? Oh. I thought you said you forgot the raft. I was like, well, we're not on the river, babe, so that's fine.
Well, I forgot that too.
Okay. -8 is in the middle. Jorge, what is to the right of -8? Okay. Reggie, what's the left of -8?
Negative 9,
Well, you're gonna answer even if I don't ask you.
Yes, you are.
Alexa, do we use an open or closed circle?
Open. Open. Lord, she said Alexa.
She did. Bryn, do we shade to the left or to the right?
To the right. She said bring.
Oh my sweet potatoes.
We're gonna have a talk.
I can't wait to make the distance.
All right, so I want you to try D for homework. What is the first thing you should do on D? Multiply. Now, what is the difference between D and C?
There's like.
There's 2 terms here, right? And this is one whole fraction. Now, I've also sent you an assignment on Google Classroom. You need to check it because it is due by Friday and it is a grade. If you have not logged into Google Classroom, our code is up there. You need to write it down and log in.
I got that notification.
It is due by Friday. It is a grade. Does everybody understand? You must log into Google Classroom.
Math,